Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. It's the 5th of November today, and we're going to be looking at Dash trading against the US dollar over one-day candles. Dash has just announced the release of Dash Text, which will allow Venezuelan citizens to send and receive Dash via SMS messaging. So this will be a huge thing to drive adoption, particularly in the Venezuelan nation. We saw sort of similar features come out last month from Bitcoin Cash, with their sort of release from Cointext, and the month before that we saw Light.am release a similar feature for Litecoin at the Litecoin Summit in September. So this sort of general feature seems to be making the rounds through the crypto market at the moment, and yeah, a really promising thing for Dash. It's had a good effect on its price, and you can see it's actually broken bullish from its falling wedge shape that was sort of being held in for the last sort of 3 weeks. It was able to retrace all the way from the 0.236 up to the 0.382 fib level. It kind of pipped here at this sort of downtrending resistance level before coming back down. It's now found support along this 0.382 fib level around this sort of $165 mark, and it's kind of been sort of held between here and this sort of neckline here at $169, which is interesting because we now have this sort of Adam and Eve pattern forming here, or we've already formed. We're just waiting for it to break through the neckline here. So we have these this sort of spiking price action, which forms the Adam part of the pattern, followed by this sort of parabolic cup shape that forms the Eve part of the pattern. And from here, we usually expect it, once it breaks through the neckline, to break bullish, and it's a very strong bullish reversal indication. So we're just waiting for it to break over $165 in the short term. Although we have seen a little bit of a decrease in volume very recently in the last couple of weeks. We've seen this clear downtrend in volume, which is a little bit worrying. We'd like to see it start to pick up again to sort of really give us a strong confirmation of a bullish reversal. So obviously this $169 mark will be a strong first resistance target to overcome, and we'd like to see it pass through this downtrending resistance as well to continue on. If it doesn't, and if we see it rebound off it again, then we may start to look at this as an idea, a sort of an extended falling wedge pattern here, where we have this downtrending line pinch it in, and then we may have to consolidate way further down here before pushing on. So that's another idea if we fail to break through here in the short term. Looking at the number of indicators though, you can see that overall, especially over one-day candles, the RSI is favoring an uptrend. You can see there's been a huge increase in buying momentum recently, and there hasn't, although we've had a brief correction, it hasn't affected the RSI too much, and we're still heading towards the sort of oversold region above, which is good. On the MACD indicator, it's a very similar story. We have a huge bullish convergence between the 12 MA and the 26 MA. It's heading towards the signal line, and we have big buying candles on top of the histogram as well. And on the Chaikin money flow indicator below as well, the same thing. Big spike in buying pressure. We're heading towards the zero line. This is a good sign. If we can continue in this way, then there's no reason why Dash shouldn't continue bullish from here. So yeah, really interesting thing to look forward to. Hopefully Dash can break through this resistance in the short term and continue up. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you're bullish for Dash in the short term, if you think this will be a good performer throughout the rest of Q4, please like and subscribe this video, guys, and check out the full TA at CryptoVest.com. Nice one. Thank you.